Have you felt the need to stretch your hips and legs, release tightness, and feel more relaxed and peaceful? If yes, let's do a powerful and calming asana called Ardha Kapotāsana or Half Pigeon Pose in this video initiative by S. Chan Publishing. Hi, I'm Jia, your yoga and wellness teacher. Let's get started. Take a deep breath, settle onto our mats, and begin our practice. Start by placing both your hands and knees on the floor, and then slide one knee forward. Stretch the other leg backwards. Slowly lower your chest gently towards the floor. Take 5 to 8 slow breaths in this pose, letting your body relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, carefully come back up and switch to the other side. Let's do one more round each side. Some precautions to take while doing this asana. Avoid doing it if you have an injury in your hips, lower back, or legs. Place a cushion if your hips feel tight. Keep your body relaxed and do not force the stretch. Take a moment to notice how you feel after practicing Ardha Kapotāsana or Half Pigeon Pose. Keep returning to this asana whenever you need balance, strength, and calm. Namaste.